What's up, everybody? So it's the end of November, about to be December, and I've still got hunting season, but I've only got one deer so far. I need more for the family. But a friend of mine commissioned me to make a knife out of this piece of antler for the handle, and this wee kind of skinny file, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little worried. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I don't want it to be too thin. But anyway, he needs it before Christmas. So I need to get started. Let's go. I used all three of those. Okay, so I'm not sure where I left off, but here's what the knife looks like right now. I've been busy hunting, and now my shop is a little bit of a mess due to that, as you'll see. Blood spot there and there from hanging deer. Anyway, I gotta get this done by Christmas and the video for my buddy and his son. So hopefully I can get something done today. Let's get started. You wouldn't believe me if I told you how long it took me to get that slot established. All right, I'm gonna epoxy this guy up. Okay, so anyway, this is the status of the knife right now. I am all done. It is sharpened. The sheath is done. It is looking good. I'm pretty satisfied with this. You'll get a better look in the pictures at the end of the video. Okay, so at this point in the video, I was supposed to be ending it off with my buddy dedicating this to his son, Gavin. Well, I'm sad to say, Gavin, but your dad got sick yesterday, and we also got about 3.5 feet of snow, so that video dedication isn't going to be a part of this video. But I talked to your dad on the phone, and he said, Merry Christmas, he loves you, and wanted to be sure that you knew that this was one of your great-grandfather's files, and that this was indeed the first buck you ever shot. It was the antler, the single antler that I had on one side that was broken. So anyway, I hope you enjoy and treasure this piece. I hope it meets your expectations of this kind of knife. And I hope you treasure it so much that you continue to pass it down in the family to your son, grandson, whoever ends up being special in your life that you might want to do that with. Okay, all right, I'll check you guys next time.